Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and world over observed the 6th martyrdom anniversary of popular youth leader and the face of Kashmiri's resistance against India's illegal occupation, Burhan Wani, as Resistance Day today. Burhan Wani, along with 2 other associates, was killed by Indian troops during a fake encounter in Kokarnag area of Islamabad district on this day in 2016. The authorities had deployed troops and police personnel in strength in Tral, the hometown of Burhan Wani, to prevent people from offering Fatiha at his grave. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service, in connection with the martyrdom anniversary of Shaheed Burhan Wani, Indian troops have martyred 1,697 Kashmiris, including 37 women and 122 young boys in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir since July 8, 2016. Of those, 189 were killed in fake encounters and in custody. At least 29,892 people were critically injured in firing of bullets, pellets and tear gas shells by the troops on ensuing peaceful demonstrators in the occupied territory. The IIOJK chapter organized an anti-India protest demonstration at Press Club Islamabad today on the martyrdom anniversary of Burhan Wani. Convener Mahmood Ahmed Sagar led the demonstration. The rallies were also held in Muzaffarabad, Kotli, Rawalakot and other parts of Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri refugees also organized a rally in Gujranwala, Pakistan on the occasion. Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred 1 more Kashmiri youth in Kupwara district today. The troops martyred the youth during a cordon and search operation in Tangdar area of the district. Earlier, an Indian army soldier was killed in an attack in the same area. Indian authorities did not allow the Kashmiri Muslims to offer Friday congregational prayers at Srinagar's historic Jamia Masjid today. The Anjuman Awqaf Jamia Masjid, in a statement, denounced the Modi government's act. A renowned revolutionary poet and religious scholar, Mushtaq Kashmiri, passed away in Srinagar today. An Indian army officer committed suicide by shooting himself at Mini Secretariat in Poonch district, raising the number of such deaths among Indian troops and police personnel to 556 in the territory since January 2007.